Have you ever wondered what happens when a Figma design turns into a real e-commerce website? Many people think front-end development is just making a website look like the design, but in reality it's much more than that. In this video you can see our developer working on a new section for Vipers Direct, an Australian automotive parts store. On one screen there's the Figma design, on another the code editor, and on the third a live preview of the website. Our goal isn't just to copy the design. We built every block to be pixel perfect, responsive, fast and easy to maintain. That means following exact spacing, typography and layout specifications. It means ensuring the page looks great on mobile phones, tablets and large desktop screens. And it means writing clean code that can scale as the business grows. For this project we use WordPress, WooCommerce, ACF blocks, Tailwind CSS, Vue.js and Cloudflare. Why does this level of detail matter? Because in e-commerce, trust drives conversions. Small visual inconsistencies can make a website feel unprofessional, while a clean and polished interface helps customers focus on the product and complete the purchase. Great front-end development isn't just about appearance. It's the foundation of a fast, stable and successful online store. If you enjoy seeing real-world web development processes and practical e-commerce insights, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We regularly share behind-the-scenes looks at our projects, development tips, and lessons learned from building high-performance online stores. See you in the next video.